kind of hard to keep it in focus when it's jumping up and down. There you have it. The jumping, a snapping beetle, I think it's called. Oops. Crashed in my lens.